What's up with it, y'all? What's up with y'all? Come on up in there, man. Sweet conversation, sweet game, dropping it down, you know what I'm saying? Just to make y'all think, you know what I'm saying? It ain't about that I'm investing into this situation. It's just about that I'm trying to show all our youngsters and trying to show everybody in this game how it works. See, a lot of y'all don't understand how it works. A lot of y'all don't understand how the game go, right? So I'm only gonna do it the way I supposed to do it, right? And that's the right way. Let me just say this. I'm gonna say this here, and I want y'all to just rock out with me. I want y'all to really rock out with me about what I'm about to say. Allstar Jr. This is what I want to tell you, Allstar Jr. You did something. And what you did is gonna probably cost you. It's gonna probably cost you, right? It's gonna probably cost you, not because of what you did at the time, but because of your social media rants. See, a lot of y'all better start understanding that this social media can be used in a lot of ways. And it can be used to destroy you. You can destroy you on social media. You didn't know that? You didn't know that you can come on social media and destroy you? Allstar Jr. is a prime example of what social media can do to you. All right? Now the feds done picked up JR. The feds done picked up Allstar Jr. You know why they picked up Allstar Jr.? You got on social media. You did too much talking, my guy. See, somebody's supposed to told you, say, boss, listen, you got away. Shh, be quiet. Instead, you wanted to make so much mockery. You wanted to get on social media and talk, and you want to do all that. Man, guess what? You cannot do that after you really done committed an offense. But people say, no, man, they shouldn't have did him like that. They shouldn't have. But under the law states, you had a right to defend yourself, but you don't have a right to overdo it. Listen to what I just said. You have a right to defend yourself, but you do not have the right to overdo it. So we got to start being understanding what the law states. When a man is on the ground and you walk up to the man and you steady trying to put some more shells in him, you are going to jail, my boy. See, I already saw it. When I saw what happened and how they was, I say, man, that boy better be quiet. That boy better be quiet. That boy better not say nothing. Leave it alone. Say, man, you might have got away with it. But when you got on social media and you went to ton and you went to doing all that, you throw rocks at prison. They open up a case on you. And you're not going to be able probably to beat that case. No, you're not. You're going to have to cop out to something. The only thing that you have on your side is that they jumped on me. And I had to defend myself. They're going to say, okay, after you defend yourself, and you did all that, went through walking around, then you came back, and you tried to finish them off. Now, they're going to start talking different languages. Remember I told you that. And not only that, get what they're going to do. They're going to make you tell on what happened. So you are about to become what Gucci Man is. See, that we about to show y'all. Everybody that was riding with Allstar Jr., but were riding against Gucci, Let me give y'all some game. Allstar Jr. finna do the same thing Gucci did. You know what that is? Tell the police exactly what happened. Is that called ratting? He about to go in there and tell the police, tell the judge, tell the lawyers and everything what happened. Man, this what happened, man. Such did this, such did that. He came over there, he did this. He finna point out the whole scene. Or do y'all think JR gonna stay solid and just say, nah, it's okay, man. Man, I did what I had to do, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, whatever y'all gonna do, man, let me go and sign my time and go. Or do y'all think JR gonna do it like that? I think JR finna raise his hand up and say, hey, man, this is what really happened. That's what I think. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm just keeping it real. I'm not trying to be funny. I'm keeping it real, man. Say, man, everybody ain't finna go down there and do no time. And when they feel like they not in the wrong. A lot of people not finna go down there and do no time when they feel like they not in the wrong. So he gonna have to explain to the judge, he gotta explain to the lawyer, and he gotta explain to the detective what really happened. And he gonna have, if in order for him to say what really happened, get what he gotta do. He got to point the fingers at him. He got to point the fingers at him. And he got to point the fingers at him. He got to point the fingers. Now, if he don't do that, he can say, man, I don't know what happened, man. You know what I'm saying? I just seen some people, whatever, woo-woo. I ain't know who, I don't know. Did you see him do this? No, I ain't see him do that. Okay, then. Now, if JR do that, y'all done finally found a solid one. But to me, I don't think JR gonna do that. No, I don't think he gonna do that. Because one thing about the feds, they don't do no playing. The feds don't do no play. They don't play. When they get you, they got you. And they gonna make you say, Toby. They gonna make you say, Toby. You might wanna say what you wanna say, but guess what? They got a way of making you say, Toby. Not trying to be funny. I'm just keeping it 1,000, y'all, man. See, y'all better start paying attention, man. It's okay to walk on the sidewalks, man. You know what I'm saying? And observe everything that's going on out there in the streets, man. So we can make everybody realize, hey, get out of the streets. Why you want me out of the streets? Let me give you some game on why you don't need to be in the streets. Just take this with it and run with it, man. And we're going to keep winning. So with that being said, I want to say this here. I appreciate y'all again for tapping in, right? Y'all make sure y'all check out every episode of the Battle Tested Podcast. You hear me? Until then, I'm out of here.